Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Instagram story if it doesn't allow you to add music to your story. So it's a pretty quick and easy process. Without any further delay, let's get started. For this purpose, first of all, we have to make sure that we are using the updated version of Instagram. For that, you simply have to jump right into the Google Play Store, and then at the top in the search bar you have to search for Instagram. From here, as you guys can see, that it is giving me an open option, which means that I'm using the up-to-date version of Instagram. But if it asks you to update, it means that you are not using the updated version and you have to update the app as soon as possible, because updating your app usually fix all the bugs and glitches within the old version. After that, your problem will be resolved. But unfortunately, if your problem doesn't resolve, you have to exit this and go to your phone settings. From the phone settings, you have to scroll down a little bit and tap on the apps. In the apps, you simply have to tap on the see all, and here you have to search for Instagram. Once you are on the Instagram information page, you have to tap on the option named as storage and cache. From here, you have to clear the storage and clear cache for Instagram. But you don't have to worry, because it will not delete any of your personal information or post regarding to your account. It will just log out your account and allow you to use a new and a fresher version of app. So after that, all of the bugs and glitches will be fixed and you can easily use music on your Instagram story. But unfortunately, if the problem is still encountering with you, you have to go back and tap on the permissions. Here you have to make sure that all the permissions of Instagram have been granted. As you guys can see that I have allowed all the permissions, that's why my account is working properly. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.